Hey, what's up? Sam here. Today we are looking at the Redmi Pad 2. And honestly, the biggest highlight isn't really for you guys, but for Chinese students ranging from grade 1 to high school. I feel like this is the first tablet that kids might actually hate. Anyway, let's give it a quick look. Dolby Atmos. Okay, so for Dolby Atmos, so the speaker should be good. It feels a little cheap anyway. So it's like a 15 watts charger and the Type-C cable. Let me check what's in this. Okay, a manual, a simple manual, and then nothing. We have the speakers here, Type-C. Wow, check out, we even have the 3.5mm headphone jack. Wow, I haven't seen this for years. The mic, the volume rocker, on top also speakers, the power key, and nothing on this side. And back we have the AI camera, 8 megapixel f2.0. Alright, and that's basically the design. Feels a little bit cheap, but still, you know, looks as a sense of tech. Okay, anyway, let's just power the thing on. Alright, so basically that's the tablet. That's how you set everything up. Unboxing done. Now, let's take a quick look at the highlights. First up, the display. This is an 11-inch 2.5K soft light eye protection screen with 600 nits peak brightness and 274 ppi clarity. It's two-way right now triple certified. Plus Xiaomi's own eye protection features, so you can use it for long study or binge sessions without straining your eyes. Oh, and even supports white hand touch, super practical, you know, with the kids you never know what's on their hands. For some, you've got Dolby Atmos quad speakers, which are amazing for movies, lectures, or just blasting music. Let's give it a listen. Now, under the hood, it runs on the G100 Ultra octa-core processor paired with 6GB or 8GB RAM and up to 255 gigs of storage, expandable up to 2 TB via TF card. Yes, it got a TF card slot. It's obviously not built for gaming, but it's more than enough for study, multitasking, streaming, and everyday use. Battery life, a huge 9,000 mAh cell that easily lasts through 4 days of study or media use. Charging speed isn't crazy fast, but the endurance is the real winner here. The software is Xiaomi HyperOS, so you get standard features like cross-device clipboard, calls and file sharing, plus an upgraded Xiaomi Education Center. Speaking of that, let's talk a little bit more about education features. These are a big deal right here. So over 3 million questions in the database, 30,000 plus knowledge maps for K-12, 150,000 plus textbooks sync lessons. Oh my god. 11,000 plus detailed knowledge videos. It even comes with homework guidance, AI essay correction, and remote parental controls. However, the version about it, the basic version, and I haven't had the chance to show you everything yet. Like I said earlier, this tablet is mostly for Chinese users, and since I'm so famous globally, most of you are non-Chinese. Anyway, this thing redoubles as a personal tutor plus study center, making it perfect for students, middle school, high school, even for parents who want smarter control over learning time. For the price, I will just list on the screen. So my final verdict, well, this tablet may not be for most of you because it's the Chinese version and it doesn't come with a global ROM. Even so, I don't think it will offer all the learning resources or textbooks outside of China due to copyright issues. That's it. I think this is perfect for overseas Chinese who want their kids to learn Chinese or access Chinese education resources. If you are in that situation, the Redmi Pad 2 is hands down one of the best budget tablets for students and families. Great display, strong speakers, monster battery, solid study ecosystem, and a price that honestly feels like a steal. And if you're looking for a learning focused tablet under 200, this is it. And thanks for watching, and Sam will see you in the next one. Bye bye.